According to Lending Club the other day, they put out an article that said that 61% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. Like, really let that sink in for a minute. 61% of Americans live in paycheck to paycheck. A lot of people right now are probably thinking, of course, yeah, people are struggling with inflation and the job market and minimum wage. There's a lot of factors there, but of the six-figure earners, 49% of people making over $100,000 a year are living paycheck to paycheck as well. So it's not just your middle class, lower income earners, it's your higher earners as well that are living paycheck to paycheck. And I attribute a lot of this to, obviously we have inflation, there's a lot of factors that come into play. But when it really comes down to it, it's so easy to live up to a lifestyle. If you're making 75 grand a year, I know when I did it, when I made 75 grand a year, what did I do? I probably spent 80 grand a year. And then when I made 100 grand a year, I probably spent 110 grand a year. It's easy to get sucked into the lifestyle as you make more money to just spend more money. But that's why I think it's so important to take a step back sometimes and really follow the basic steps of financial literacy. It's something that wasn't taught in school. I know when I went to high school, I wasn't taught financial literacy. I was taught some of the basic economics, some basic programs, but I was not taught financial literacy, how to properly really sit down and look at my budget. To follow the Profit First model, that's an excellent book where I now do this in all my businesses, where I will put, every business I'll have 4 different bank accounts. And every time I get a paycheck, I put a percentage in my payroll, my materials and labor, my taxes, and then an investment fund from there. It just really struck me because we're all there. I know that I've lived that lifestyle at one point in my life, and since it's 61% of the people, I know that we all have friends and family that are probably living in that same boat. And this is why at Rivers Capital Group, we're trying to help people build wealth, build financial stability through real estate and business buying. And it's so important to me. One of the happiest things that I could do is help a client find an awesome house hack where they're not paying any part of their mortgage because they're leasing out or short-term renting part of their home, and it's paying not only their mortgage, but actually putting a couple bucks in their pocket on a monthly basis. These are the things that get me excited, is to be able to help people so that we could lower that number, hopefully from 61% down to 0 someday. I know it's wishful thinking, but it would be great if me and my team could continue to help more and more people build wealth and follow some financial tricks to be able to lower their monthly biggest payments, which is their mortgage, and help them out financially in the future.